competition and with a win. So we are ready.
Coaches here, what's different?
I think it's not new because he stayed with us for a long time. Maybe he is now the boss, but I think it's the same players. Of course, he has the different things about the possession ball, or maybe more direct, but it's the same. So we are happy. We want to play the games. We want to start in with a win. This is very important for the club and for the team, for the confidence.
Tell us about the new guy, Arthur Sales. What have you seen from him?
It's a good player. He's a Brazilian, you know. All the Brazilians have the thing. He's very good players, very quick, and we are happy for another South American player here. And I think he making a good things, and he's a good player. So we are so happy with him.
And then the MTN 8 is not one of the competitions that you normally win. What are you going to do different this time, looking at the match starting with the city that you're playing?
It's a good question, but I think it's a cup, so every game is difficult, you know. It's one game, you out or you in, so we always want to win, you know. And I think this cup we take the responsibility for win, because it's for the team, and we want also win the trophy. So I think it's a very good challenge for all the team and for all the players.
Your game has changed. You play more freely now. You're looking different even on the ball. But you still not score as many goals as you would love probably to score. Is it something that you are working on, that you now get more into the box and score goals?
Of course, we always I think score the goal for the team. Maybe it's a tough, and we create a lot of chance. So we practice every day in the training for making better decision in the final third. So I think we need practice, always training for doing better every day, every game.
What does it do, Linda, having so many South Americans being part of this team, and what do South Americans do you think they bring to Sundowns?
Sorry,
What
does it
South Americans bring to Sundowns, and what does it do for the team?
I think it's good, no? For me, for us, it's good. All the South American, we can stay together. We can communicate, and so we want also doing the league better, no? You know. So we come here for play, for win trophy, for give to the country a good football. So I think it's a good keep the player from South America.
Last
Were
question,
you
please. Coach is coming through.
Yeah.
Last
Were you
question.
disappointed about midfield of the season last year? People thought, yeah, you should have been there, and maybe could have won it.
For me, disappointing is no, don't win trophy. For me, this is important. Of course, individual things is coming for the group for me. So if we won the MTN, the Netbank, the champions, for me this is more important, and the other is second for me. So it's okay.
No
doesn't matter.
disappointment.
Yeah.